Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to add camera roll to Snapchat story. So let's jump right into it. First open Snapchat and then tap on the profile picture on the top left corner of the screen. From here tap on add snap right here. It will automatically take you to your memories. Now tap on camera roll next to it. From here choose the pic that you want to add to your story and then tap on the white arrow on the bottom right corner of the screen. You wait for a second and it will be uploaded to your stories. Now the second method, you go back to your camera and swipe up to go to your snaps. Tap on camera roll next to it. Tap on the pic that you want to add and then tap on send to. From here tap on my story and then tap on the bottom right here. You wait for a second. Let's go check. When you go back to your stories and your profile, you find it right there, and that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.